Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a shopping haul, and in the shopping haul is going to be all hair related products. Now I have a box full of things in here. It's not going to be an unboxing necessarily because I already opened it and kind of dipped into some of the products. But yeah, anyways, the company that these hair care products are from is actually the company that I work with and I have a business with. It's a luxury hair care company and the products are absolutely amazing. So amazing to the point that I not only sell these products, but I buy them with my own money and use them on a daily basis. They have hair care products for anything you could think of. Obviously products like shampoo, conditioner, styling products, all that sort of stuff, but they have products that are fit specifically for all different hair types and hair needs. Whether your hair is thick or thin, short, long, you want to reduce damage, you want to make your hair grow, you want more volume, anything you can think of, there are products fit for you. And to make it even better, all these products are natural, they're cruelty-free, vegan, they don't contain any gross or disturbing ingredients like some other shampoos or other hair care products might contain. So it leaves your hair overall just really nice looking and really healthy. So yeah, that's just a little quick intro of this hair company. So let's just go ahead and jump right on in to this haul. All the products that I have in this box are shampoos, conditioners, hair care type things, and all that sort of stuff. So yes, I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get right on into this haul. So if you would like to see everything that I got in the shopping haul, then just keep on watching. Okay, so some of the stuff that I got in this shopping haul kind of came in a bundle. When I purchased everything, we were having a sale at the time. Everyone loves to save money, so that's why I went ahead and made a purchase. So I got those bundles of products, which I will obviously be showing you guys, and then I got a few other products as well. So here are the bundle of products that I got, and this particular sale was called the Power of 4 sale, and it was all about products to help with hair growth. Whether it be for someone that went through chemotherapy and lost all their hair, someone that has alopecia and loses their hair that way, or just someone like me that just wants longer hair, these products are perfect for any of those situations. So yeah, the first thing that came in this sale bundle is this product right here. This is just hair vitamins, and it's not only good for your hair, but it's good for your skin and nails as well. I'll just get it out of the packaging. This is what they look like. I've had this before, so this is a repurchase for me. I absolutely love these vitamins. They definitely make my hair grow. And another thing I like about these vitamins is it does contain biotin in it, but it also contains a lot of other really good vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B12. It just has all these other great natural ingredients and vitamins in it that I swear when I take these vitamins, I just feel good. I feel healthy. I feel like I have more energy. I just overall feel really good when I'm on these vitamins. I don't know, maybe that is just a placebo effect, but that's definitely how I feel when I take these vitamins. So that's an additional plus to these vitamins, but yeah, I definitely noticed a lot of hair growth with my hair when I was taking these vitamins. So yeah, when I saw that these were included in the sale bundle, I definitely had to get it. And then just some little extra information. There are 60 capsules in here and you take them twice a day. So this is a month's supply of vitamins, and yeah, I just really like this product. I've definitely seen results from it. But yeah, if you have any specific questions about any of these products, definitely make sure to leave those questions down in the comments, or you can even follow me on my Instagram. All my other social media is linked in the description box, but I definitely recommend you guys follow me on Instagram because that is the social media site, other than YouTube, that I am the most active on. So you could definitely follow me on there and shoot me a message about any of these products, questions, concerns, thoughts, anything, please make sure to let me know. So the next product that came in this sale bundle is actually a product that I am saving for my sister, and it is this product right here. This is the Intense Repair Treatment, and this is a product that definitely helps with growth, similar to the other products that are in the sale bundle that I will be showing you guys in just a second. But what's different about this little guy is this is perfect for spot treatment. So I'll use my sister as an example. I could probably use this myself, but her particular issue is way worse than mine, so that's why I'm going to be saving this for her, and she already has this, so now she has a backup whenever she finishes her first one. So to use my sister and myself as an example, The spot that my sister is using this product on is right in the front of the hairline in this area up here, and I kind of have it too. Just like some like, not necessarily balding areas, but like we both just have these two spots that they don't really grow. It's just kind of like baby hairs. So like, especially when we wear our hair back, you can like really see it and everyone thinks we're balding. But yeah, I don't know. That's just what me and her have. And I know a lot of other people have this issue. And when they use this product, it works wonders. Like it definitely makes your hair grow. And even my sister, she's only been using it for a few months and she's already seen some hair growth in those areas. So yeah, that's what's really great about this product is if you have like specific spots, whether it's up here or maybe if you have bald spots somewhere else on your head, you could just spray this on there, rub it in, and then you can start getting some hair growth in that particular spot. All right, and the last two products that came in the sale bundle are these two products right here. These are also a part of the Intense Repair line. So we have the Intense Repair shampoo and then the Intense Repair conditioner. As far as the shampoo, I haven't decided if I want to use it for myself or maybe I'll save it for a giveaway. So yeah, since both of these are part of the Intense Repair line, they are going to do the exact same thing basically as the spot treatment, is they're going to help your hair grow. Except the only difference from the spot treatment is this you can obviously use all over and get all over growth. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be using the Intense Repair conditioner. I've been wanting to get my hands on this forever because I've seen some amazing results from people that have used this conditioner. So yeah, those are the 4 products that I got a part of the sale, and now we're gonna move on to the other products that I also decided to pick up. Some of them are repurchases and some of them are new products that I have not tried before, but I am so excited to try. So I think first off, I will start with the products that I have already tried before. The first product being this shampoo right here. This is our Revive shampoo, and this shampoo is perfect for fine, thin hair that doesn't have any volume to it. This is the shampoo that I use the most often, and I absolutely love it because that's exactly how my hair is. My hair is very fine. It's very fine, it's very thin, and I usually have no volume at my roots, but now that I use this shampoo, it definitely helps with all of those. What this shampoo does, and there's also a conditioner that goes along with it that I also use, what it does is it gets into like each hair shaft and it plumps it up, which really helps with volume. So that's why it not only makes your roots more voluminous, but it makes your overall hair look and feel thicker. And I think it does an excellent job at that. I feel like I don't really necessarily have to style my hair anymore, like teasing it or like fluffing it up or anything. It just kind of happens naturally now that I use these products. So yeah, I noticed I was running a little low on this shampoo, so I thought I would pick up another one. But my other shampoo that I'm currently using, I've had for like 6 months, and there's still some in there, which is absolutely amazing. So maybe we can touch on that real quick. So the thing about these products is, since they contain like really like high quality, safe ingredients, and they're so concentrated as well, so you really only need a small amount. So I'll just use shampoo for example. You really only need anywhere from like a dime to a nickel size amount, and like that's it, you're good to go. So even though a lot of people just look at the prices of these products and be like, oh, that's way too expensive, I'll never be able to afford it, but when you compare these products and the prices of these products to, let's say, just any products you pick up at the drugstore, you're actually saving more money by going through these products because they last a lot longer. And for example, if you're using this product right here, which is really great at helping with oily hair, you don't have to wash your hair every day, so that also makes it last a lot longer. Then yeah, you're gonna have these products for at least 3 to 6 months, or you can be like someone like me that will be using these products past 6 months. Yeah, I thought I would just touch on that real quick. So yeah, this is a repurchase for me. Another repurchase, which is one of my favorite products from this company, is our dry shampoo, which kind of has a new look to it. This is part of our Studio One line, but it's the same dry shampoo. If you watched some of my other videos, like my how I control my oily hair, I talk about that product, as well as this shampoo and some other products to help with my oily hair. If you haven't seen that video, I will link that down in the description box. So I'll just keep this fast since I did talk a lot about these products in that video. Yeah, I just absolutely love this dry shampoo because it does so much for my hair. Like I just love it. And I definitely recommend it if you're someone that loves using dry shampoos and are looking for a really good, high quality, safe dry shampoo. All right, and then the 2 products that I have not tried before, but I am so excited to try. The first one is this shampoo right here. This is part of our Color Enhance line, and this is for the Perfectly Platinum line. So our Color Enhance line, we have 3 different colors that go along with it. So we obviously have Perfectly Platinum, and then we also have one for blondes and then one for brunettes. I decided to go with the Perfectly Platinum because my hair is more on the platinum side, but our blonde shampoo, basically what that does is it doesn't enhance or really help with the brassiness. It just enhances those blonde colors. I hope that makes sense. I just know we get a ton of questions of like, what's the difference between like the Perfectly Platinum and then the blonde. This one is really just going to enhance that platinum hair color and really help with the brassy tones that you may have with blonde hair. If you have blonde hair yourself, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, the blonde one doesn't necessarily do that. It basically just brings out those like golden hues. So yeah, that's why I decided to go with the Perfectly Platinum one. And this is the shampoo. They also come with conditioners. You can either buy them together or buy them separately. I just decided to go with the shampoo just because I really only wanted to use it more for toning to get rid of those brassy tones. So yeah, maybe in the future I'll try the conditioner to see how well that works. I'm sure both of them together works wonderfully, but because this is my first time trying it, I just decided to get the shampoo. I have seen some before and afters of people that have used these products and they look awesome, so I'm so excited to try this product out. And last but not least, the last product that I got is a hair mask, and I've been wanting to try this hair mask forever, and that is this hair mask right here. I haven't even opened it yet. This is the Hair Transformation Mask. This hair mask is actually part of our restructuring line. And our restructuring line is perfect for really damaged, brittle, chemically treated hair. And those products are great for, you know, restoring health to your hair, restoring strength, helping with damage, making it strong, and just overall making your hair healthy again. So yeah, I mean, I would love to try the whole restructuring line. I'm sure I will definitely be purchasing that in the future, but the minute I heard about this mask, I was just so interested in it and I wanted to try it so bad. So that's why I decided just to go with the mask instead of the whole line. Yeah, since this hair mask is from that line, that's what it's gonna help with. It's gonna help with the damage. It's gonna make your hair stronger. And since obviously I do color my hair, I wouldn't say my hair is like overly damaged at all, but like since I do color my hair and my hair is blonde, which like I feel like just blonde hair color in general is just automatically going to be more damaging because, you know, it contains like bleach and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this out, and I feel like using this product together with like the Intense Repair conditioner, I feel like I'm going to get to that length of hair that I have always wanted. And that is all of the products that I have to show you guys in this haul. All right, everybody, so that is it for this hair care shopping haul. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And again, make sure to check down the description box to get my Instagram and make sure to follow me on there. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, thoughts about any of these hair products that I showed in this haul, please make sure to leave those down in the comments or message me on Instagram. Or if you just want to chat and see which products would be perfect for your hair type and hair goals, I would definitely love to chat with you. There's absolutely no pressure to buy anything. I just truly love these products and I use them myself every single day, and I've seen such a positive change in my own hair. I just get like really excited to talk about them, and I just love talking about these products to other people and recommending products that would be great for them. Whether you want to purchase the products or not is totally up to you, but I feel like there's no harm in asking and just finding out some more information if you are someone that isn't as confident with your hair, or just overall just want to make your hair stronger, better, healthier. I'm always here to chat and recommend the perfect products for you. So yes, with all that being said, leave those comments down below, message me on Instagram, and yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today. Again, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.